Afternoon guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, very exciting day because we have just completed our very first Ford Tourneo Connect Highline reversing camera. So Ford have gone into a partnership with Volkswagen. This is in effect a VW Caddy. It's a 72 plate, which is 2023, and this customer has come to us because he wants the factory fitted Highline reversing camera. So this is certainly not the world's first, but this is one of the first we've done anyway for this particular Ford. We have fitted the camera, which is you're going to see part of the video. Cabling goes all the way down to the front of the vehicle. It's a lot more involved on these newer platforms, and we've given this customer the factory Highline camera, moving guidelines, interaction with the front and rear parking sensors. And if you've got a vehicle that also needs parking sensors, we can do the parking sensors with optical display as well as the reversing camera. So next stage, we jump around the back and show you what the camera looks like. Very similar characteristics of the VW Caddy, but VW's relationship with Ford is going to be very different in terms of, yes, it's the same chassis and vehicle and inside components, but it's going to have the Ford touches and of course the Ford badges. So little bits and pieces are only going to be Ford. The rest is all going to be very similar, from the parking sensors, the engine, the steering, the info media system, everything is exactly the same. So this is the Ford Tourneo Connect, and this is the reversing camera. So the reversing camera is fitted inside the, well, depends on whether it's a tailgate or a barn door. Obviously this is a tailgate. This particular model comes with a blank, so you can take out the rubberized blank, pop the new factory camera in, and then we route the cabling up and along through one of the grommets into the vehicle. And that's when it becomes quite involved, because it's not a straightforward way to the front of the vehicle. Once we're at the front of the vehicle, it gets attached into the data side of it, which is quite involved. And then we have to unlock certain modules for us to be able to code it to give you the on-screen display. So now we're going to jump in and show you the end result. Inside the cabin, you wouldn't know, apart from that you're in a Ford, because it's basically the same as the new Golf 8 steering wheel and the T6.1, same climate control and the media system, same gear stick, same everything. Well, of course it is. I'm going to keep going on about that. It is basically a Volkswagen Caddy. So, pressing the engine button here, ignition comes on, media system will then boot up. There's your Ford logo. Just wait for that to boot up, and you'll again see very similar traits to the Golf 8, and that's with all of your different media options that appear up on the screen here. So that's all loading up, and as soon as you put it into reverse, let's just see if we can get away with it without the engine running. Let's put it into reverse. No, it is one of the newer platforms. That's interesting how now you have to have the engine running. So let's just start the engine, shut the windows so we don't hear the noise, and let's pop it into reverse. So into reverse like so, you've got the reversing camera image, and you've also got the parking display. Now this particular vehicle came to us with front and rear parking sensors already, and then you've got your rear camera image like so. You've got your moving guidelines, and you've got your gesture control so that you can change the display to different modes. So this mode is basically as if you're in the camera and you're then looking out. Let's go back to the same screen and go back to the guidelines, and you've got your moving guidelines. So this is the Ford Tourneo Connect. Genuine factory reversing camera. I was going to say genuine Ford. Well, it is, because we fitted it into a Ford, but it's a genuine Ford Tourneo Connect reversing camera. And if you want anything else, don't forget to get in touch with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and website for us is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and thanks for watching.